we're good, buddy.
Yeah, your dad was a lifesaver. He got us pulled out.
All right, well, so he's not picking anything up from you guys?
Not what?
He came down there and pulled you guys out?
Yeah, 10-4.
Oh, okay. That's funny.
Yeah, we needed a chain. We didn't have a chain, so he brought us a chain.
Oh, okay. Where are you guys at? You're really loud.
In Norway, just a mile, well, not even a mile, just on 29th Avenue, just west of Norway.
Oh, no wonder why you sound so good. Yeah, you're coming right in over top of that skip. I got some bleed over from Channel 6. I don't know. This radio must be pretty darn sensitive, but yeah, there's some definite bleed over from Channel 6 down there. It's nasty.
No, I sound good in 359 because I got a good radio.
Well, yeah, and it's powered by a Caterpillar engine, so there you go. Hey, I got the video gate rolling. I'll send it to you later, okay?
You got what?
I got a video gate, water gate going of your audio there, Roger.
Oh, me today?
Yeah, I'll post it up to YouTube and send you a link to your cell phone.
10-4. You know, I can view let's see, off of YouTube, off of Facebook, I can view everything now, because I downloaded the app off of Facebook, so.
Oh, okay. Well, that's cool. Yeah, you're almost 9 and 10 dB over, so good signal over here. Well, I'm gonna hop out of here. I had to fire up the truck to make it a little warmer in the cab here. I'm talking on the mobile with the 102. This 102 is great. My SWR is flat.
Well, I'm going to turn the power down now, and I'm going to turn my mic gate back because I was full on everything. I like to be warm when you talk hard.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Well, I'm going to hop on out of here, go grab me some lunch, and do all that good stuff. We'll talk to you later, 933-73.
Have a good one. Talk to you later.
That's Roger. We'll see ya. Bye. Bye.